My name is Olivier Marquant. I am the director of the AFYREN-NEOXY site. Here we are on the Carling Saint-Avold industrial platform in Moselle, and more specifically on the AFYREN-NEOXY site, which is the first factory of the AFYREN group. AFYREN is an innovative green chemistry company that has developed a fermentation process to synthesize organic acids. These bio-based acids are intended for other industries such as pharmaceuticals, agri-food, cosmetics, and perfumery. Our products have a carbon footprint divided by 5 compared to other equivalent molecules found on the market. Our priority is to implement a very high level of operational excellence because we have one wish, which is to be right the first time. We have set up a program called AFYREN Global Performance. The program is based on a coherent package that brings together continuous improvement techniques, behavioral evaluation, a management system, and reliable data. It is important for all performance stakeholders to have access to reliable and highly accessible data in order to better manage the plant. To achieve this performance, it is necessary that all business software can communicate to this IT solution. So here, we are in the control room that allows us to control all the installations. And the objective of this control room is to produce all the quantities required at the desired quality. In a production unit, we have a multitude of software and data that can come either from the control system that you see behind you, from the laboratory data, from maintenance. And the objective of having an IT solution is to be able to compile all this information, cross-reference it to optimize the operation of the unit. We chose OI Analytics and Optimistic to help us in this task and this vision we had of parameter optimization. And so they brought us their skills and expertise to build these tools. So these will be tools both for the operators and for our process engineers, who will be able to analyze all the data to try to find parameters that will reduce either energy consumption or steam consumption. This allows us to optimize utilities and therefore to make gains both financially and with an environmental objective. The fact that we are in a bit of a 4.0 solution, in the end, where we aggregate all this data, gives us much more power to be relevant in the analysis. Working with an outside company also gives us a different perspective. In fact, we all have different experiences, but on these new tools, we weren't necessarily relevant. We didn't necessarily have the right reflexes. So having someone who is specialized in these areas has given us a way of working and being much more efficient in the development of tools. It's a much faster way to set them up, size them, and then start off on the right foot, actually. The objectives for the next few months will be to deploy, to set it to music, and then above all to adapt the supports that go to operators, those that go more to process engineers, so that the entire company takes ownership of the tool and can get the maximum benefit from it.